XRP price soared from 63 to 74 cents because of the two news stories that coincided. In April, Bitcoin will soar to $83,000, and within 2021, it will reach $300,000. This shows a powerful bull impulse on BNB that buyers are not waiting for a drop and are buying right now. Thus, the price could surge up to $400. Welcome to the Coin Post. A red candle appeared on the monthly Bitcoin chart after a long break, but April has just begun and it's too early to tell whether it will be profitable or not. In our video today, we're looking at the reasons why Bitcoin should set a new record and close a 7th month in a row in the black, which has never happened before. Then we're discussing 5 cryptocurrencies that could surge this week, and in the end, a little bonus: news about XRP and BitTorrent. Be sure to hit the like button because we are working for you. And let's get into it. I'm gonna intrigue you a little and start with XRP and BitTorrent. These two coins are the heroes of the day. XRP price soared from 63 to 74 cents because of the two news stories that coincided. Number one is that the court partially sided with Ripple and allowed them to redact some of Brett Garlinghouse's email exchanges. The judge agreed that 2 of the 4 Garlinghouse documents requested by the SEC that contain personal information can be edited, although all financial data should be retained. I have no idea what was so personal that Garlinghouse wrote about XRP that they decided to hide it, but the market got overwhelmed, as if it were a win for Ripple lawyers. Besides, the cryptocurrency price was boosted by the rumors that the leading American crypto exchange, Coinbase, is preparing to bring back XRP trading on its platform. These rumors arose after fragments of code from an exchange that mentions XRP were leaked. Next, we have the second hero, which is BitTorrent, which even got in the top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap for a while. In the last 7 days, the coin has soared almost 240%, and from Sunday to Monday it was boosted by the news about the upcoming update. TRON, as a parent company, also surged by 112% within a week and 19% in the last 24 hours. I wish Ethereum would rise that much following the tokens that run on its blockchain. But we're gonna talk about top 2 cryptocurrency later, so stay tuned and give us a thumbs up. In April, Bitcoin will soar to $83,000, and within 2021 it will reach $300,000. Sounds quite ambitious, right? I can already see the comments like, "The last hamsters are backed into a corner and it's time for the drop." If you feel the same way, please give your arguments. I'm really looking forward to the reasons for the fall. But let's go from the most important ones. Number 1 is the dollar decline against other world currencies, which historically leads to the rise of gold. And since Bitcoin is a new gold, which JP Morgan analysts are not shy of saying, the first cryptocurrency will also surge. But there is a problem here. The dollar index chart shows that it didn't really drop, and the valuation by 20% predicted for 2021 never happened. Instead, an upward trend started. Last Friday there was a record job growth in the United States. 2 million people get vaccinated a day, and they want to accelerate the rate even further. Besides, the money from Biden's next relief package will be poured into the real economy. All of this should restore faith in the dollar, and as a result, it should keep rising in April. The second reason for the growth is that April is a good month for Bitcoin, and only 2 times in its history it showed losses. However, as I mentioned earlier, it's the first time before April that Bitcoin has been rising 6 months in a row, showing a 450% rise. Bitcoin's never surged for more than 6 months, so I guess it's high time to set new records. Reason number 3 is the price of Bitcoin based on the law of averages, which gives Bitcoin the $83,000 price target in April. This calculation is based on the expectation that if we have a large experimental sample, then the result must be close to the average expectation. Hopefully it's clear, but it's worth taking into account that this lot doesn't guarantee anything, and the actual result may differ significantly. And the final, in my opinion, most objective reason is the miners' faith in Bitcoin. They started ramping up their positions, therefore believing in the growth, and they're gonna sell at much bigger price than the current 57,400. In March, Bitcoin produced a combined revenue of $1.75 billion, which is an absolute record in the history of the first cryptocurrency. Let me know in the comments whether you got persuaded by these reasons that Bitcoin will close April in the green. Otherwise, I'll give you another prediction by crypto analyst Ben Armstrong, the creator of the largest crypto YouTube channel BitBoy Crypto. Discussing trading in derivatives during the stream at a rate of $100,000 and $300,000 per Bitcoin this year, he said, "I'm very confident Bitcoin's gonna hit $300,000 this year. I'm telling you $300K. I don't think it will go over 400K, but I think our 320K prediction for this year is gonna end up being pretty accurate." This is what Ben Armstrong thinks about the Bitcoin price, and I want to draw your attention to the increase in the kimchi premium to 15%. It's the gap in cryptocurrency prices in South Korean exchanges compared to other exchanges located globally. Today, South Korean exchanges offer 1 BTC for 66,000. In 2017, Bitcoin changed its trend to the bear one when the kimchi premium reached 20%. But the situation is a little different now because South Koreans' stock markets account for less than 2% of the world's stock. But that's not all about Bitcoin for today. And next, we have 5 cryptocurrencies that could surge this week. So hit the like button and we're moving on. In conclusion, we have the technical analysis of the 5 cryptocurrencies that are expected to surge in the near future according to Cointelegraph. Number 1 is Bitcoin, with bears at full strength defending levels at $60,000 and $61,000, because breaking through them could lead to short squeeze and rapid growth of up to 69K, and perhaps an impulse up to 79K. A negative scenario would be supported at 57,000 and 53,700. And a short-term change to the bear trend could occur in case of breaking through the latter. Number 2 is Ethereum. The bulls managed to hit a new all-time high of $2,100, and now they must develop their success. A return to the current price high would mean a new bullish impulse with a target of $2,618. At the same time, I don't think Ethereum should plummet below $2,000. The next support level is only at 1881. In this case, the possible minimum is 1,289. Binance Coin forecast is pretty good. The bulls managed to raise the price above 350 and then keep it from a big correction. This shows a powerful bull impulse on BNB that buyers are not waiting for a drop and are buying right now. Thus, the price could surge up to $400 or even $430. Bears, on the other hand, need to lower their price below 315, which will signal a weakening bullish trend. In the meantime, Polkadot looks stunning in terms of technical analysis. After hitting a new all-time high of $46.8, they started fixing the profits on the market. However, the price didn't fall below $42, and the bulls are now aiming to return to that high, after which the price could rise to $53.5, and bears will have a chance of a rematch if the price drops below $41.5. EOS rise above $6.4 indicates a return of investors' interest in this altcoin. The bears' response lowered the price to $5.3, but the bulls got the price back to $6. If the current price holds for 2 more days, it's possible to keep rising up to $7.64 and $8.69 targets. So that's pretty much it with the forecast for the following week. I hope it helps you boost your profit in the crypto market. In turn, you can support me by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends who are into cryptocurrency too. And that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching. It's the Coin Post channel. Subscribe and get enlightened.